Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning. So last day we have started our number system, and we understood there are infinite number of rational numbers we can find between each rational numbers. Okay, between each rational numbers and between each real numbers also, we can find infinite number of rationals. Okay, so next we are going to write some rational numbers between two rational numbers. How to write rational numbers between two rational numbers? Okay, that is the next topic. So let us begin. Right, first question. We will start with a question. I will explain how to write or how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. So you can write a heading like rational numbers between finding rational numbers between two rational numbers. Write a heading in that way: finding rational numbers between two rational numbers.
Ma'am, last class you just gave a half of a question.
What
you
was
didn't
that?
complete it.
What was that?
You told that find 5 rational numbers between two. But you didn't
between
the sub question. Between two real numbers.
Did we start a question?
No, ma'am, you didn't give the sub questions.
Okay. That we are going to do. Okay, that okay. So we started, isn't it? Okay, so the first one is okay. So no need to write this heading. If you have already written that question, then no need to write this heading. We will begin with the first one. Okay, the first question: find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Find 5 rational numbers. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. 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 Okay, listen to the board, all of you. Listen to the board. Between 1 and 2, we don't know no other integers, isn't it? 1 and 2 are consecutive integers, adjacent integers. There is no integers between 1 and 2. But we know that there are infinite number of rational numbers between this 1 and 2. For getting some of them, first you have to write 1. We can write 1 can be written as 1 into 10 divided by 1 into 10. Am I correct? 1 is 1 by 1. No? Okay, so both numerator and denominator I am writing as 1 into 10 by 1 by 10, that is equal to 10 by 10. So 1 is equal to 10 by 10. Similarly, 2 can be written as 2 into 10 by 2 into 10 by 10. 2 also I am multiplying by here. Okay, 2 also I am multiplying by 10. Here no need of this one. If you write, no problem. 2 into 10 by 10. This can be written as 20 by 10. So 1 can be written as 10 by 10 and 2 can be written as 20 by 10. Clear? 1 can be written as 10 by 10. 2 can be written as 20 by 10. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Now the question is finding rational numbers between 1 and 2. Finding rational numbers between 1 and 2 is same as the rational numbers between 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. Question is finding rational numbers between 1 and 2, which can be again stated as find rational numbers between 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. Okay, so rational numbers between numbers between 1 and 2 are same as what? Rational
10
numbers
by 10
between
and 20.
yes, rational numbers between 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. Okay, so we can write rational numbers between 10 by 10 and 20 by 10 as they are. Okay, children, sorry for the disturbance. Let us continue. Okay, so rational numbers between 1 and 2. So we wrote 10 by 10, 10 by 10, and 2 as 20 by 10. So rational numbers between 1 and 2 is same as, I think you have written that, isn't it? Rational numbers
Yes, ma'am.
between 1 and 2 is same as rational numbers between
10
10
by
by
10 and
10 and 20 by 10. Okay, 10 by 10. So they are 10 by 10. Next number will be 11 by 10. 11 by 10. We need only 5. So write any 5. 13 by 10. 14 by 10. 16 by 10. 19 by 10. Any 5 you can write. Any 5 rational numbers, you can write rational numbers between 1 and 2. These are the rational numbers between 1 and 2. Any 5 we can write. Okay. Or we will do one more way. This is one way, by multiplying by 10. We can have some other way also. Or the same problem we can write 1 into 6 by 6. I am multiplying both denominator and numerator by 6. So it will be 6 by 6. Okay. And 2 also I am multiplying by
12 by
6
6.
by 6. So it is 12 by 6. 12 by 6. Therefore, again we can write rational numbers between 1 and 2 are same as rational numbers between what? Between 6 by 6
6 by
and
6 and 12 by 6.
12 by 6. So write any. So they are, we can write 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6. Okay. So these are also, similarly, we can find infinite number of rational numbers between each rational. Is it clear how to find? You can find either multiply by 10 or if you multiply 100 by 100 and 200 by 100. So you will get 99 again in between that. Okay. So similarly, you can find infinite number. You can find any by any way. You have to get 5. Our question is just find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Okay, children, is this question is clear? Okay. Now next one, find rational numbers between, find how many? Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Question number 2. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. If any doubt, you must ask at the same time. Okay. 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay. Find. You can write 3 as 30 by 10 and 4 as 40 by 10. So rational numbers, you can write 31 by 10, 32 by 10, 33 by 10, 34 by 10, 35 by 10, 36 by 10. Any you can write. Third question. Find five rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Find rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here we have 31 by 10, 32 by 10, 32 by 10, 33 by 10, 34 by 10, 6 we need now. 35 by 10, 36 by 10. Okay. Do the third one. You can multiply by any number to get 5 in between. Between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Isha, by which number you multiplied the third one?
Ma'am, I didn't do the third question.
Okay, do it.
My over.
You multiplied by which number? Who's
10.
this?
Ma'am, 10.
Who's this?
Ma'am, Abhiram.
Okay, Abhiram. 10. So
Ma'am,
what?
I multiplied with 10.
So 30 by 50, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
40 by 50. So we can write 31 by, very good. 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50. Anybody else? Anybody else got any other answer? Anybody multiplied by some other number?
Ma'am, by 5.
By 5. By 5. So it will be 15 by 25 and 20 by, sorry, getting 5? Okay, no, 25. So 16 by 25, 17 by 25, 18 by 25, correct. 19 by 25. No, we are getting only 4, no.
Ma'am, into 6.
See, if we multiplying by 5, 50, in between 15 and 20, we are getting only 4. Who multiplied by 5? Who said that?
Ma'am, I just said it. I didn't multiply.
So if we multiply by 5, we can't get 5. We will get only 4. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So you choose another number. 6. Okay.
Okay,
6.
ma'am.
It is 6. So 6, 18 by 30. Isn't it? 18 by 30.
24 by 30.
24 by 30. Then you will get 5 in between. Okay. 19 by 30. 20 by 30. 21 by 30. 22 by 30. 23 by 30. You will get 5. Okay. So I think you understood how to find, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will send some homework questions today. You have to do very simple question. No, Nisha,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
over?
No, ma'am.
Do little bit faster. You have to make. Okay. Because this year, from last year onwards, last year exams was cancelled. No, but last year last year also I told you 10th standard question paper has a drastic change. They have introduced 12 more than 12 questions more, but time is 3 hours. They didn't increase the time, but questions increased. Number of questions increased. So you have to more speed in your doing all this calculation. You must be increase your speed. Okay. At the same time, don't make mistakes. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Isha, over. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next type question. Okay. For that, you need a scale and pencil. All of you take your scale and pencil. So in between two real rational numbers, we understood how to find rational numbers. Now we are going to fix this rational numbers on a number line. Okay, number line usually we will give only integers, positive integers to the right, negative integers to the left, and middle 0. Now we are going to find the position of rational numbers on a number line. So you need a scale and pencil. Take a scale and pencil. So write a question, express 4 by 7 on the number line. Express Express 4 by 7 on the number line. Express 4 by 7 on the number line. So 4 by 7 is a number lies between which of the integers? 4 by 7
0
lies
and 1. 0 and 1.
0 and 1. Very good. So you remember last day's class. So we can write 4 by 7 lies between 0 and 1. So on the number line, this 4 by 7 is in between 0 and 1. So we are drawing a number line. We are drawing a number line and 1. So we need between 0 and 1. To the right, we need some length. So let this be 0. 0. Okay. And take some 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter after, as a unit. So after that, we will mark 1. This is 1. So 1 unit as 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter you can take as per your length in your paper. And 0 we can write 0 by 7. Can I? 0 is 0 by 7, isn't it? No. Because this here 7 is our denominator. So I took 0 as 0 by 7. 1 can be 7 by 7. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
1 can be written as 7 by 7. Now divide this length between 0 and 1 into 7 equal parts. 7 equal parts. Divide it into equal parts. If you have any problem with taking 7 equal parts, so you before giving 1, you can take equal half, take half centimeters or 1 centimeter. Better you take half centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and give that as 1. Then it will be easy to take equal part. It will be equal to take. So, and that 1 we will write as 7 by 7. Okay. Okay. Now, this is 0 by 7. All of you listen to the board 1 second. This is 0 by 7. So first one will be 1 by 7. Second point will be 2 by 7. Third will be 3 by 7. Fourth will be 4 by 7. And 5 by 7. 6 by 7. Last point is our 1. That is 7 by 7. Now our question is what? Our question is for locate 4 by 7. So this point is 4 by 7. This is our 4 by 7. The point, this is the point 4 by 7. Four by 7, or this way you can mark. This is the point 4 by 7. Once again, I will explain. Question is to locate 4 by 7 on the number line. So we know that 4 by 7, first of all, write 4 by 7 lies between 0, 0 and 1. Take 0. Okay. And since it is 7 on the denominator, take 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will be our 1. This is 0. 0 by 7, 7 by 7. Okay, is it clear, Nikhila? Nikhila? Okay. So first one will be 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. Question is locate or express 4 by 7. So this is our answer. This is 4 by 7. Sridev, Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one more question. Can I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Express 6 by 8 on the number line. Express 6 by 8 on the number line. Express 6 by 8 on the number line. Express or locate 6 by 8 on the number line. Six by 8 on the number line. Here also we can say 6 by 8 lies between
0 and 1.
0 and 1. After this, we will do some number lies between some other numbers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Six by 8 lies between 0 and 1. So draw the number line. Here it is 0, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1. 1, that is 8 by 8. Here it is 0 by 8. So we can find 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8. So our question is 6 by 8. This is the position of 6 by 8. Suppose you are also asked to find a negative 2 by 8 on the number line, the same line. What can we do? Take the same distance to the left side. 1, 2. This is negative 1 by 8. This is negative 2 by 8. So this is negative 2 by 8. On the same number line, you can find negative 2 by 8 or negative 3 by 8 also you can do.
Ma'am, should we mark that?
Yeah, okay, if you want. Or otherwise, I'll give some other one more example.
Okay, ma'am.
So do it as a homework question. Locate negative 3 by 7 and 5 by 7 on the number line. You can do on the same number line. Okay, do it as a homework. Okay. Now, one more question we will do. See, suppose our question is locate 8 by 6 on the number line. Locate 8 by 6. Locate 8 by 6 on the number line. So, where does it this 8 by 6 lies?
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2, 1 and 2, because when we divide 8 by 6, first 1 will go, isn't it? So 2, 20, in that way it will go. So it lies between 1, so 8 by 6 will be 1.333, 1.333, isn't it? Okay, so 8 by 6 lies between 1 and 2, not 0 and 1. 8 by 6 lies between 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. So what we will do? Draw a number line. We need 1. 1. We will begin with 1. 0 will be somewhere here. Okay. Then 6 equal parts. 1 and 2. 2, how can we write 2? 2, how can we express 2 with the denominator 6?
12 by 6.
12 by 6. So this is, the 1 can be written as 6 by 6. With the denominator 6, 1 will be 6 by 6. And we need 8 no. So 1, 2, 3. Take whatever the largest number, numerator or denominator. Here numerator is 8. So 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, 12. This 12 will be 12 by 6. That is 2. This is 1. 1 is 6 by 6. 2 is to make the denominator 6 and get 2. The numerator will be 12 by 6. And this is 7 by 6, 8 by 6. 1, 2, no. Sorry, 8 don't need. 1 second. 8 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6, 12 by 6. This is our 2. 6 by 6. So 6 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is enough. Denominator 6 is Okay, children, our time is up, so we will do the same type questions. One more period we have no. So that time we will do rational number between 2 and 3. Okay. So next set of students are entering. We will do when is our next period? When it is
Ma'am, 2:20.
2:20. Okay. Viram, you don't know? You don't know, Viram, when it is?
Ma'am, 2:20.